There's really only two ways that you can get 0% money. That's through either purchasing a car in some scenarios or getting a credit card.
Okay.
Now, the problem is most people are educated by guys like Dave Ramsey and many others to say credit cards are the devil.
Yeah, that's true.
And it's the exact opposite.
Exactly.
The perfect way to start a business for less than $100,000 is on a 0% credit card.
Yeah.
The basics facts are it's 0%, which you can't beat.
Yeah.
Number two, it's flexible and it will grow with your business if you use it properly. And number three, if you default on it, dude, they'll settle with you for 50 cents on the dollar in exchange for diving your credit score. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
Like,
it's worth the risk.
Yeah. What product is better than that? I'll borrow that money 7 days a week and twice on Sunday.
Yeah.
You know?
And the reason why they say that is because they understand the normal person's mentality.
It's true.
The average person's mentality has access to capital. They use it. Right?
To buy consumer crap.
Correct. So it's not necessarily that it's bad. It's people make bad choices with them.
Yep.
Right? The cards don't just grow legs and walk off and go make a purchase without the individual, consciously going there and making a bad purchase. Right? That's buying something that they can't necessarily afford because they want to look cool or whatever this scenario is, whether it's Christmas or, and then you're paying high interest rate throughout the year to pay off your Christmas and you're kind of stuck in this cycle. But again, if you're getting access to money and you're using it in the right way and leveraging it where you have the ability to have your money make money so that the money's paying for itself, that's really the idea here. And so can cards be bad? Yes, if the individual is bad with finances. Okay.
So true.
If the individual's good with finances and using it properly, you can leverage it and be able to make money.
I've had a revelation over the past 6 weeks or so. Like, I grew up and credit cards were bad, stupid bad. And I've been seeing some stuff on Instagram that's like changed how I think about debt just altogether. So I'm going to talk about that in this video and how it makes me feel, because I feel like it's how my videos make a lot of y'all feel, so I can relate to you. So if you want to see me relate to you or hear me or feel me relate to you, pause. Click like, click share, write a comment, and stick around after this old-ass intro screen.
My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond.
My name is Dorian from Group82Music.com. Right here, we're talking about our credit cards bad. And, successful people still use credit cards. And I didn't understand that. The reason I didn't understand is because I saw people around me use credit cards, and like dude was saying in the clip, they were buying consumer crap. I saw it put them in debt, and it ruined relationships, and I'm just not a person that was apt for credit cards. I hated them. I wanted nothing to do with them. And there's two instances in my life where me learning about finances was so humbling that I questioned my everyday existence as an adult for being this naive and stupid to what was going on in the most important industry in the world, which is finances. Is when I read racist ass Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Great book. Go steal it, because he's a racist bitch. The information's amazing. It made me realize I knew nothing. I think I need to clear that up. Don't steal it. There's a lot of ways you can find it without supporting racism. Let's put it like that. It changed how I looked at everything. I was like, this is exactly how I was brought up. He showed a whole nother way. Did I go into real estate? No. But it definitely changed my mentality about how I spend money, save, and invest. And then when I saw a clip on Instagram that I didn't even save because it was so powerful, y'all probably saw it too, where this older gentleman was talking about credit cards and how he uses it, and a debit card is the worst thing that ever happened to the American consumer, and he puts all his sons on their credit cards, and he just pays it off every month. It takes credit score up, they get cash back, they get points, they're able to travel, and the credit card is the credit company's money. When you do something on your debit card, there's a dispute. You got to deal with the bank, and the bank might lock that amount on your account for, who knows, maybe 6 months. When it's the credit card company, they get you a refund immediately, and then they deal with the merchant, and they always get their money back. Credit card companies treat you way better than the bank does. And this old, bald, Thomas Jefferson looking white man was saying this, and that white man changed my life. I said, he is right. Everything I know is wrong. It's all wrong. This is first generation upper middle class. This is first generation creating generational wealth. This is first generation college student. This is first generation all this shit, man. I don't know this shit. This is why I read so much. This is why I learn so much. It's why I educate myself so much. Because I got to know what the hell is going on. I ain't got nobody teaching me. That's why when y'all ask me to be y'all mentor, bro, I'm already your mentor. I got like 600 videos. I'm already your mentor. What else do you need? We all need to learn this stuff together. I can't make all the money. Jay-Z can't make all the money. Robert Smith can't make all the money. LeBron can't make all the money. Can't make all the money, man. Y'all need to make all the money in your field so we can talk about this stuff and we can know. Not just black people, but just across the board. We are so financially illiterate as a country. It's the reason why we continue to make the dumb mistakes we do. Reason why we keep voting the way we vote. We argue about what we argue about. We keep fighting about what we fight about because we don't understand money. And all the information is here. Shout out to the real business owners for this clip. It was super dope. It was something we all need to consider. I have started putting everything in my life that's consumer on my credit card, and I just pay it off. I went and applied for a credit card after I saw these clips. And I got approved for a great business credit card, one of the best ones out. And I didn't even think that would be possible because my business barely had any credit. Didn't have any credit, actually, because I hadn't borrowed. Because I ain't been using no debt because I was anti-debt. Use the tax code, use this information, the credit card system, the whole financial everything to enrich yourself and protect your family. It's the whole reason I make content. It's never been easier to make money. What are you waiting on? You on Instagram, click the link up top. YouTube, click the link in the box, not the pond. Y'all stay true.
Everything I done got in my life, I had to take that. I had to make that. If the game was some damn near rate that. And I believe that you only get that. One shot, you gotta bang that.
Group82music.com.